All right, time for some birthdays on this Wednesday. And we're going to begin in Pittsburgh with Arabella Pitts celebrating birthday number 4 today. Arabella, happy birthday.
Oh, wow, already 4 years old. Happy birthday, Arabella. And Kara Schaefer is now 6 years old. As I understand, this little girl is a tough cookie growing up with 2 brothers. Kara is in Altamont.
And we got Bentley Jennings celebrating birthday number 11 in Jasper. Happy birthday, Bentley.
In Webb City, Jaden Houston celebrating birthday number 12 this year.
And we've got Nolan Stipp in Frontenac also celebrating birthday number 12. Happy birthday, Nolan.
All right, nice ring there. And Caitlin Cook turns 15 years old this year. Happy birthday, Caitlin.
And we've got Braxton Otter celebrating birthday number 18 with a really good looking deer there. Very happy birthday, Braxton.
All right, and a happy birthday wishes coming from the whole family going out to Dallas McCoy, turning 72 years old this year. Dallas is in Erie, Kansas.
And over in St. Paul, we've got Betty Dooling celebrating birthday number 96. Betty, a very happy birthday to you.
Great picture there, Betty. And Helen Kelly celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Happy birthday, Helen.
We've also got Diane Seal celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Diane.
Jeff and Cindy Dean are celebrating their 26th anniversary this year. Congratulations to the Deans. Lovely throwback wedding picture there in Oswego, Kansas.
And we've got John and Dorothy Heiser celebrating their 48th anniversary. And John is a retired Chief Petty Officer from the U.S. Navy. John, thank you for your service and a very happy anniversary to you and Dorothy.
All right. Hayden Howell, our KOAM sports videographer. And he can sing some karaoke, I understand, as well. Hayden, happy birthday.
We've also got our very own Doug Hetty celebrating 20 years at the station, also celebrating a birthday today. Doug, a very happy birthday to you.
And not the best karaoke singer.
Well, that's all right. He's the best meteorologist, so he makes up for it.
That's right.
He makes up for it in other places.
We love you, Doug. Happy birthday. And Amber and James Reeves are celebrating their 9th anniversary in Columbus. Congratulations to the Reeves.
Well, as we've mentioned, we always like to see this list grow, and Tanya knows exactly how you can do that. Tell us, Tanya, how do we do it?
That's right. You can send your birthdays in to us. You can always mail them with the good old post office, or you can send them to us through email at birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Include all the information, their name, birth date, and hometown would be great too as well. Please send them in a couple days before the birthday. Give us time to get them ready.
Yes, and please include a photo if you can. We love seeing the photos. Also, at our website, not only can you donate to Toy Box and help out our Feed the 4 States campaign, you can also head over to the morning page and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get some great deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So go over to KOAMnewsnow.com, check out the mornings page, and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.